Hello everyone and welcome to a new lecture, Graph a Dataset Pie Chart. So to create a pie chart, we have to first import the data. I'm going to import the names from above. You can copy that down. Now we will write there some changes which we are doing for the first time. Absences 3 0 1 0 8, which is 30108, right? Now detentions, detentions, which are equal to 21001, 21001. Now warnings, 21512, 21512. Okay, now we will move on to grade list. Zip, we have names, we have absences, we have detentions, we have warnings. Now columns, we have names, we have absences, we have detentions, we have warnings. Now df is equals to pd dot data frame, data is equals to grade list. Now we have columns is equals to columns. Now we have df. Because we have this code created a data set of student rule violations. Okay, so next in a new cell we will create a column to show the total violations or demerits per student. Now total demerits will be, they're pretty easy to calculate. df total demerits, df absences, we have df for detentions, and now we have df for warnings. Okay, so we have this. Now finally, to actually create a pie chart of the number of demerits, we can just run the code, which is this one, plt dot pie df total demerits. Okay, so now we have a pie chart, as you can see over here. But since it is a bit plain and a bit elongated, let's try the code from, let's see, wait, plt dot pie df total demerits. Now let's start. Labels will be df names, explode will be 0 0 0 0 0, but no, wait, 0.15. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. We have this 5 values. Now start angle, which will be 90. Now auto PCT, we have the color, we have the shape, 1.1 f, Now we have the bracket closed. Now we have the plt.axis. We have that for equal, and now we have plt.show. So we have this line 2. This adds line 2 in the code. This adds the students' names as labels to the pie pieces. Line 3, this is what explodes out the pie chart for the 5th student. You can increase or decrease the amount to your liking. Line 4, this is what rotates the pie chart to different points. Line 5, this is what formats the numeric labels on the pie charts. And line 7, this is what forces the pie to be circular, as you can see over here. So now what's your turn, or what's the mini challenge we have? The mini challenge we have is, I'm going to write this down. So the mini challenge is that, what if instead of highlighting the worst student, we put a spotlight on the best one? Let's rotate the chart and change the settings so we are highlighting John instead of Mel. This is the mini challenge for you, and in the next lecture I will see you with the graph dataset, scatter plot.